Hello dear students, now we are going to do question number 2 of exercise 14.3, that is divide the given polynomial by a given monomial. So we will see how we will divide. So the first part is in numerator it is 5 raised power 5x square minus 6x and in denominator it is 3x. So what we can take common? We can take x common from the numerator, so I'll take x common. If I'll take x common from 5x square, it will be 5x. If I'll take x common from this term, minus x will be left. In denominator it is 3x, and we can cancel this x with this x. What is left? 5x minus 6 upon 3. That is the answer. Second part, students. In numerator 3y raised power 8 minus 4y raised power 6 plus 5 raised power y raised power 4. Denominator it is y raised power 4. So what we will do, first of all we will see what we can take common from the numerator. As I can observe, y raised power 4 is the common, so I will take out the common factor out. So y raised power 4 if I have taken, then what is left from this first term? 3y raised power 4 will be left. From second term, if I will take y raised power 4, what will be left? Minus 4y square will be left. And from here, if I will take y raised power 4 out, then what will be left? 5 will be left. And we can see y raised power 4, y raised power 4 cancel. So 3y raised power 4 minus 4y raised power 2 plus 5 will be the answer. Third part, students. It is in numerator it is 8 bracket x cube y square z plus x y cube z square plus x square y square z cube. In denominator it is 4x square y square z square. So from numerator we can observe x square y square z square is common in each term. So we will take out it common. So what is left from the first term? If I will take x square y square z square common, then only x will be left. And from second term only y will be left. From third term only z will be left. And we can see 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8 will be cancelled. And here x square y square z square will be cancelled. What is left? 2 bracket x y plus z will be left. Fourth part of the question. In numerator it is x cube plus 2x square plus 3x. In denominator it is 2x. From numerator we can take x common. So what is left? X square. From here if I'll take x common, plus 2x will be left. From here if I'll take 3x common, so plus 3 will be left. In denominator we are having 2x. So we can see x and x will be cancelled. What is left? X square plus 2x plus 3, and in denominator 2. So the last part of the question. Numerator is p cube q power 6 minus p power 6 q cube. In denominator it is p cube q cube. So we can observe from numerator in both the terms p power 3 and q power 3 is common. So we will take it common, and what will be left? P power 3 I have taken. Here it is q power 6. Q power 3 I have taken, then q power 3 will be left. Similarly from this term p power 3 and q power 3 I have taken common, so p power 3 will be left. And we can see these two terms will be cancelled. So what will be left? Only q power 3 and p power 3 will be left. So q power 3 minus p power 3 is the answer.